Alright guys, so today I'm going to go over my grocery haul, and I picked up a few things, not too much, but I'm gonna do it this way because y'all, I look a mess. So I just got out of the shower, my hair is in a towel. So white chocolate mocha, my favorite coffee creamer. I tried to pick up an almond milk coffee creamer, but it wasn't in stock, so I'll try it next time. I picked up 2 of the unsweetened vanilla almond breeze almond milk. I picked up some P3s because they're just really simple, easy to grab. String cheese, I think this has like 36 of them or something, so well, oh yeah, 36 packs, so we'll have that for the month. I picked up some Hebrew National Beef Franks. They were on sale at Costco. It comes, I believe it is 4 in a pack. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4 in a pack. So, you know, it's summertime, barbecuing and all of that. That's perfect. I picked up some beef smoked sausage. Picked up some peppered salami from Costco. Sour cream, because although it's summer, you know, you still got to do Taco Tuesday. And the Mexican style blend cheese. Go-gurts. I picked up the chicken thighs again. Love those. I picked up 2 bags of these 31 to 40 count shrimp. I wanted to try these turkey burgers, so I picked these up from Costco. I love this brand's turkey bacon I get from Costco, so I figured this probably is good, and it's seasoned as well, so we'll see if I need to season it some more or not. I picked up this Zambia bean cherry buy drink because it was on Ibotta for free, so I paid for it and then got the money back in Ibotta. I picked up 3 of these core orange mango organic hydration drinks. I seen someone here on YouTube drinking those, and I was like, they were drinking it like it was life, so I had to try it. I picked up 2 bags of French fried potatoes. I actually ordered the, I want to say 2-pound bags, and they were out, so they gave me 2 5-pound bags instead. So instead of having 4 pounds, I have 10. We will have French fries for life. I got some boneless, skinless chicken breast and some ground turkey. Here to the dry products, I finally found this Kirkland Signature cold brew coffee. I've been seeing people post this on like the Costco deals page and everything else about how amazing it is. So I finally found it in one of my local Costco's and I grabbed it up. So I hope it is everything that I've been dreaming for it to be, and then I will be repurchasing on a regular. Picked up some Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Honey Nut Cheerios. I always have Honey Nut Cheerios in my house because they're my favorite. Picked up some Pringles. I think this is like a spicy barbecue, sweet spicy barbecue flavor. It's the wavy ones. Salsa, running low on that. The Boom Chicka Pop at Costco was buy one get one free, so of course I have to. These nuts. Now, I don't know if y'all don't have these in your Costco or if you've ever tried them, but they are life. They are amazing. They are crunchy. They are large, and they are open because we couldn't wait. I picked up some flour tortillas, and if you've seen my past grocery hauls, I've been picking up the tortillas from Costco that you cook, but sometimes, you know, you just really don't feel like turning on your stove and cooking a tortilla, so I've bought these to have as a backup or on those lazy days when I just want to throw something in a tortilla and keep it moving. I pick up this 100% whole wheat bread from Costco every month because My son eats a lot of sandwiches and whatnot, so we go through that. We put one in the freezer and one in the refrigerator, and then when the first one is done, then we just pull the next one out of the freezer, and you honestly don't even know that it was frozen. I picked up some Goldfish Flavor Blasted Extra Cheddar Goldfish for snacks. I was running out of my garlic powder and my onion powder, so I picked up those. I picked up 2 of these Suddenly pasta salads, the ranch and bacon flavor, because it goes great to pair with, you know, if you're having a barbecue, just throw that in, and you know, it's good. I beef it up and add some other things to it to make it super yum. And then I picked up some iced tea with lemon to make some tea here with this summer 100-degree weather. So that is all I picked up today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below what you are picking up this month. Of course, I will have more groceries to pick up later on in the month, but that is it for now. Bye, guys.